Hi everyone and welcome back to Here for the Drinks. It's Easter time, so today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious rum-based eggnog for all of you little bunnies out there so you can enjoy your festive season in a very delicious way. Now let's start. Before we start, let me walk you through all of our ingredients. The base of the eggnog is going to be rum, Dom Papa rum in this case. We have some organic eggs, powdered sugar, which I prefer over crystallized one since it's easier to dissolve in this case, and we have some condensed milk, which can be substituted by milk or cream or a mixture of both, and we have one vanilla stick. First step is to separate our egg yolks from the egg whites. Basically we're using 8 eggs, that means 8 egg yolks. We're gonna split them. The egg whites, of course, won't be thrown away. I'm definitely gonna use this for sours or for cooking. So yeah, make sure to keep those in the fridge as well. First, I like to whisk only the sugar and the eggs until you've achieved a creamy texture. It's gonna be easier if we first whisk those two together to dissolve the sugar. So eggs in, this, sugar in, 200 grams of powdered sugar. I strongly suggest that you use a whisker with a silicone coating like this one. You can try it with metal, but there might be a chance that your eggnog has a slight metallic flavor. So I'm lazy, so I'm gonna use this beauty over here. You can see already the sugar is dissolving. Move it to the sides. Now the next step is to add our condensed milk, or in case you're using cream or milk, and increase the speed. Very nice. The condensed milk is gonna add, of course, flavor, texture, and a little bit of sweetness. Now it's time to extract the vanilla from the vanilla pot. Basically we're gonna use a knife, and first we're gonna gently, with the back of the knife, straighten our vanilla. Make sure that it's fresh and soft enough. Sometimes when you leave it outside for a long time, they get dry. We're using a very soft one here. And now with the tip of the knife, open it up through the middle, and with the back of the knife again, gently press it along the side to extract the pulp, just like this. Okay, now we extracted all of the vanilla, and basically with help of the vanilla pot, I'm gonna push this all in like this. There is still plenty of flavor left in this one. Basically you can put it in sugar and make yourself a delicious vanilla sugar, which you can use for baking or for cocktails. Time for the base spirit, in this case rum. Dom Papa rum is very good rum for eggnog. It has a nice vanilla flavor, it's woody with a hint of orange, so yeah, I really like to use this one, around 250 mils. Like this. After we combined all of our ingredients in the bowl, it's time to place the mixture over a water bath. And I repeat, water bath, not directly on the stove, otherwise you're gonna end up with scrambled eggs. And mix it once again for 2 to 3 minutes to achieve a nice creamy texture, and also preserve our eggnog for a longer period of time. Around 3 weeks, you can still enjoy it as long as you keep it in an airtight bottle in the fridge. Okay, now on top of our cooking water, we're gonna place the bowl like this and start whisking. Okay, we can clearly see the creamy texture now, so it's time, while it's still hot, to strain it into a bottle, and we are ready to go. And there we have it, our delicious homemade eggnog. You will find the full recipe down in the description below. And while you're there, why don't you give us a like, because it will really help us out. And in case you want to see more videos from us, then make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.